These classic cars are all under $5,000, but some of them might cost you way more than you think. Let's take a look at what's actually worth it. Car 1, 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7, $5,000, Paragould, Arkansas. This Cougar XR7 is a solid project car that already runs and drives, making it a good starting point for someone who wants a usable classic while improving it over time. It's powered by a 351 Cleveland paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The car is described as rust-free, with a new top and refreshed seats already done. While not a finished build, it offers a strong foundation with extra parts included, making it a practical and approachable project. Car 2, 1960 Edsel Ranger, $5,000, Ridgeville, South Carolina. This 1960 Edsel Ranger is a unique classic sedan with a 312 engine and automatic transmission. The interior is reported to be in good condition, and several modifications have already been made, including a 4-barrel carb setup. However, it is still a project, currently undergoing rewiring and needing rear floor pan work. With mostly complete trim and a clear title, it's a solid base for someone interested in restoring a rare and distinctive car. Car 3, 1978 Plymouth Volare, $5,500, Springfield, Missouri. This Volare runs and drives, making it one of the more usable cars on the list. It remains mostly original, with some newer components like the starter, alternator, and battery already replaced. The main issue appears to be carburetor tuning, as it struggles at idle. With some adjustment and basic maintenance, it could become a reliable budget classic with a clean interior and solid overall condition. Car 4, 1970 Pontiac LeMans, Tempest, $4,000, Warren, Ohio. This Pontiac starts, runs, drives, and stops, making it a functional entry-level classic. It's equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, and is described as structurally solid. There is some surface rust and interior wear, especially the front seat, but overall it appears to be a straightforward driver-level project that can be improved gradually without major immediate repairs. Car 5, 1964 Ford Falcon Futura, $5,000, Park Hills, Missouri. This Falcon Futura is a running and driving classic that's even being used as a regular driver. It features a manual transmission and has already received several upgrades, including suspension, tires, and interior work. There are minor issues like light rust, a dent, and slight oil consumption, but overall, it's a well-maintained car with extra parts included. It's a good option for someone wanting a usable classic with room for improvement.
Car 6, 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $4,500, Hamilton, Ohio. This Corvette is listed as a project car with limited details, but it represents an affordable entry point into classic Corvette ownership. At this price, it's expected to need mechanical and cosmetic work. While the exact condition isn't fully described, it's likely a non-running or partially complete project. Still, the potential value and appeal of a Corvette make it an interesting option for dedicated builders. Car 7, 1966 Cadillac Limousine, $1,895, Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. This Cadillac Limousine runs briefly but cannot be driven due to a cooling issue caused by a missing frost plug. It's largely complete but has significant rust, including some structural concerns. Given its condition, it's best suited as a parts car or a very ambitious restoration project. Its uniqueness as a limousine still gives it some appeal for collectors or custom builds. Car 8, 1968 Chevrolet Impala, $5,000, Lisbon, Ohio. This Impala is a running and driving classic with a manual transmission and mostly original condition. It has been stored indoors and has had limited ownership, which helps preserve its overall state. With only minor cosmetic imperfections and some extra parts included, this car could be enjoyed as is or lightly restored. It stands out as one of the more complete and usable cars in this group. Car 9, 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente, $1,800, Appalachian, New York. This Comet is a heavily rusted project that is described as needing extensive restoration. While the drivetrain is present and not seized, the body condition is extremely rough. It may not be a practical restoration candidate for most buyers, but it could serve as a parts donor or a long-term project for someone committed to saving it. Car 10, 1961 Pontiac Starchief, $3,000, Rexville, New York. This Pontiac Starchief is a running and driving project, which already puts it ahead of many cars in this price range. It has relatively low mileage for its age. While details are limited, it appears to be a workable base for restoration or a budget cruiser with some improvements. Its classic styling adds to its appeal as a project car.
Car 11, 1962 Ford Falcon Ranchero, $1,600, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This Falcon Ranchero is a budget-friendly project with multiple drivetrain options included. The original 145 inline-6 engine is locked up, but it also comes with a 200 inline-6 equipped with electronic ignition, although it currently has low compression. The car includes extra transmissions, radiators, and spare doors, adding value for someone planning a full rebuild. It does have some rust, but it's described as repairable, making this a flexible project that can be restored over time depending on budget and goals. Car 12, 1974 Mercury Cougar XR7, $2,000, St. Thomas, Pennsylvania. This Cougar XR7 has been sitting in storage for around 15 years and is being sold as a full project. It comes with a 351 engine and is said to have a solid underbody, which is a strong advantage for restoration work. There is visible body rust, particularly in the lower rear quarters, and the top and paint will need attention. However, the interior is in good condition, making this a balanced project with a solid structure and mostly cosmetic restoration needed. Car 13, 1973 Volkswagen Beetle, $5,000, Allentown, Pennsylvania. This 1973 Beetle is a straightforward project car that needs general restoration. The listing is minimal, but it's clear that the car is not fully sorted and will require work before becoming a reliable driver. Beetles are known for their simple mechanical design and strong parts availability. That makes this a manageable project compared to many other classics, especially for beginners looking to get into vintage car restoration. Car 14, 1970 Volkswagen Sandrail, $5,000, Mechanicsville, Maryland. This VW Sandrail is a running and driving off-road build, offering something different from the typical street cars. It includes extra parts along with an additional set of mud tires and wheels, making it ready for recreational use. The main drawback is that it does not have a title, which limits road use. However, as an off-road or weekend toy, it provides a complete setup that can be enjoyed immediately with room for upgrades later. Car 15, 1970 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T, $1,800, Ravenden, Arkansas. This Beetle appears to be a modified project featuring a 1.8T engine setup, although details are limited. The mileage is unknown and the overall condition isn't clearly described in the listing.
At this price point, it's safe to expect both mechanical and cosmetic work. However, the engine swap adds interest, making it a potentially fun project for someone looking for a more performance-focused Beetle build.
Car 16, 1973 Volvo 1800 ES. $3,000, Leesport, Pennsylvania. This Volvo 1800 ES is a unique classic with distinctive shooting brake styling. The car has been sitting and will likely need recommissioning before it can be driven reliably again. While details are somewhat limited, these cars are known for durability and timeless design. It could be a rewarding project for someone who wants a less common classic with strong visual appeal. Car 17, 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. $3,500, Stockport, Ohio. This Bel Air is a complete but disassembled project that has been off the road since the 1970s. It includes a 265 V8 and Powerglide transmission, but significant work is required, including floor and frame repairs. The car still has good trim, glass, and interior components, which adds value. While it is a serious restoration project, it offers a solid base for someone willing to invest time into bringing back a highly iconic classic. Car 18, 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado. $2,700, Franksville, Wisconsin. This Toronado project comes with an additional parts car, making it a complete package for restoration. The main vehicle is relatively clean, while the donor car provides an engine and transmission. The engine turns over but hasn't been confirmed running, so mechanical work should be expected. With extra rare parts included, this setup gives a strong starting point for some looking to complete a unique classic build. Car 19, 1979 Jaguar XJ Sedan. $2,000, Wilder, Kentucky. This Jaguar XJ runs, but has overheating issues that cause it to shut off after driving. The fuel system also needs attention, and there is a hole in the passenger side floor that will require repair. Aside from those issues, the car is reported to be structurally better than expected, with minimal rust elsewhere. With proper repairs, it could become a comfortable and stylish vintage luxury sedan. Car 16, 1968 Plymouth Valiant Signet. $600, Tollesboro, Kentucky. This Valiant is being sold as a parts car with no title and no transmission. It does include the original 273 V8 engine block and heads, which still holds some value. It is not a running vehicle and would require a full build from the ground up. At this price, it's best suited for parts use or for someone looking for a very low-cost project base. So, which one would you actually bring back to life? Some of these are hidden gems, others might test your patience. Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic cars under budget.